Good, happy Saturday, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Motorcycle Week in full gear. Thousands of motorcycles have roared into the Granite State to kick off the annual Motorcycle Week. This week, with weather has a string roll with Mother Nature offering sunny, warm conditions for riders. People come from all over the U.S. for the country's oldest continuous motorcycle rally. First-timers are full of compliments for the New Hampshire's Lakes region, especially in such nice weather. Motorcycle Week runs through Father's Day. You can view the full schedule right in this article we have for you. We will share the article with you, and you can click on the full schedule. And that does it for my news report right here on the Riley King Network. I'm Riley King, and I hope you all have a great rest of your Saturday. Bye, everyone.